My £4.5 million property portfolio, let me show you. I purchased a 1-bedroom flat in Battersea, £237,500, converted into a 2-bedroom flat, which is currently worth £400,000. A 1-bedroom flat in London Bridge, £330,000, converted into a 2-bedroom flat, currently worth £500,000. A 1-bedroom flat in Vauxhall, £290,000, converted into a 2-bedroom flat, currently worth £425,000. A 1-bedroom flat in Brixton, £240,000, converted into a 2-bedroom flat, currently worth £400,000. A 1-bedroom flat in West Hampstead, £303,000, converted into a 2-bedroom flat, currently worth £550,000. A 3-bedroom terraced house in Stevenage, £265,000, converted into 2 separate apartments, combined are worth £410,000. A mixed-use commercial unit in Stevenage, £600,000, converted into 4 separate apartments, combined are worth £1.2 million. A detached house in Stevenage, £700,000, which I am in the process of converting into 5 apartments. If you'd like to learn more, then check out my free YouTube course